Hi, it's Elliot from Quick RC Reviews, and hooray, I have a new mic. So hopefully the audio quality is much better in this video. So sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been busy moving back from Alice Springs to the East Coast. I moved back to Brisbane. Now this is a video I did shoot in Alice Springs, and I found a man pass out in the bush. Originally I thought there might have been a bit of a murder scene there because of the dirt just looks like a bit of blood the way it's disturbed, so I was quite shocked. But I caught up with the bloke a bit later. I spoke to him. He was a young guy. He just didn't make it home last night. He had too much to drink at a local party, and but he was quite nice, and I didn't wake him up, funny enough, with the little Gemini, which is quite noisy. Anyway, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video, and there is some bonus footage at the end, so I hope you enjoy it, and I will be making more videos more often now. Now I've got more time to devote to it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.